Okay, it's the what everyone's been asking about. The end of the year, we usually come out with some kind of a pay dirt that is super rich, extremely good, like the best deal we can offer for the year. This year is no different. That's to come. Keep you in suspense for a little bit longer. We'll talk a little bit about it. But I've got that. I've got a mystery package to open. Friend of mine, Jordan, sent this, and then an exquisite, amazing piece of gold to talk about. This is one of my best. And this is, oh, wait for it. This is the Christmas episode. Welcome. You know what we haven't done for a long time is that little intro sequence. Okay, where to start? We'll talk about this just a little bit. I'm going to keep you in suspense a little bit longer. Talk about this piece. Absolutely exquisite piece of gold. But I think we'll start with opening this package. I've been eager to open it. This comes from my friend Jordan. Jordan, if you don't know, he's the one that created this sign back here, which then propagated Mike Vendetta to make this sticker. So if you order pay dirt from us, everyone gets this sticker based on this. And I look really stupid in this hat. Based on this that Jordan made for me several years ago. It's kind of like always been back here now for a couple years if you follow the gold vlog. And Jordan sends me something every year for Christmas. So excited to open this package right now. We're going to open it and see what Jordan sent me this year. He's also sent me Round Mountain sweatshirt. He's very, very creative thinker, this Jordan. So Jordan, we always appreciate you. And let's open this and see what's in it. By the way, I got a second camera angle. I'm not sure it's going to work, but it's incredibly lazy. It's just an iPhone sitting on the table. But I always thought I should have a second camera angle, and I didn't set up the one up above. But doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter. Jordan, before I open it, thank you, sir. Always appreciative. No matter what's in here, it's the thought that counts. I always feel that way. And you're just really cool gifts that you always give me like every year for Christmas. So we're going to open this. I'm going to actually move this camera because you need to see kind of what I'm seeing. Oh, there's a bunch of things in here. Let's see what's in here. Ah, yes. Never disappoints. I got another bag of Stumptown. This might be the third bag of Stumptown coffee, this Holler Mountain that Jordan has sent me. And then my other friend, Matt, who I actually just delivered some pay dirt to the other day. Matt has hooked me up with a couple bags of this Stumptown Holler Mountain coffee. Jordan, thank you, sir. So, super appreciative for coffee, any kind of coffee, but this Holler Mountain, it's just kind of just speaks to me. It's one of the good ones. I'll definitely be enjoying this first thing in the morning. Okay, there's something else in the box here. And a letter. I love a letter. Let's read the letter together real quick. Merry Christmas. Funko Mike is equipped with his etching apron and, of course, his coffee cup and a camera. Gold glitter and apron. Not really. Candy. Okay. We're doing this one-handed. Funko Pop. Okay, that explains the card. Funko Pop yourself. I still have no clue what this is. I still have no clue what this is, but we're going to find out together. Okay, here we go. What is it? I don't even know what Funko is. Oh, here's the sign. You are one of one. There are millions of ways to create a pop, but only one you. love that. I love that. Okay. What? What is this? This is awesome. Pop Yourself Funko 01. Mike, GNS, GNFS. It's a figurine of Mike. He's got me about perfect. All right, we got to open this up. This is really, really cool. It's the version of me with the camera in hand and I think a microphone, and that makes sense. And the gold apron. It all makes sense, Jordan. Thank you so much. The glasses, I have changed the glasses only because I lost my other pair. So I went for a couple weeks blind and then replaced the glasses. So I went with I don't know. I went with a frame that the optometrist said looked good on me. But so we changed the glasses, but we have the figurine. Very cool, Jordan. Appreciate it. Always super thoughtful, always unique, always a great gift from you. So we'll cherish it. We'll put him, the figurino will live forever back on the wall here with everything else that's going on back here. And we appreciate you, Jordan. Appreciate you thinking of me this year. Okay, so we just finished a promotion about Round Mountain Gold. And it wasn't really a promotion, it was a contest, it was a giveaway. We gave away 3 beautiful pieces of Round Mountain Gold to people who described that gold in a way that captured the judges. I will say that 100 people participated. I loved every single contest entry. Bentley, what are you gonna do? I loved every single video entry, but of course we had to pick a winner. But we're kind of firing on the Round Mountain, and I'll talk a little bit more about that, but a lot of Round Mountain is about to get put online in January. But this is one that I thought if I had a Round Mountain that looked kind of like a Christmas tree, it would be this piece. And this is truthfully, well, it's one of my best. It's one of my best from Round Mountain. And I want to show it to you up close because it's exquisite. So the top half of this gold specimen is entirely gold, and obviously not just gold, it's incredibly well crystallized gold. Lots of trigons, octahedrons, herringbone formations, and just exquisite gold, 100% crystallized, nothing dull at all on this entire piece. And that's especially true when you see this side here. You see just how angled and intricate this whole formation is on the top half of this gold specimen. Now, as you go down towards the base, you see something really interesting. Now, obviously this piece was cleaned up and etched so that you could expose the gold from the host rock, the quartz. But seeing this shale and quartz and just how this gold crystallized out of that quartz, it's really, really fantastic. A lot of times Round Mountain, they're just individual pieces and you don't get to see it on the matrix like this piece here. And then of course these little snowflakes that are peppered on the specimen, super delicate, super beautiful, just an absolutely exquisite example from Round Mountain. So that is why Round Mountain is the best gold in the world. This is the best gold mine in the world. This is truthfully one of the best pieces I've ever seen. Reminds me of a Christmas tree, sorta, whatever. Come on, work with me. I had to put something in for this video, but I wanted to share this piece with you. It is for sale. I'm turning loose of it. It's going to be over in Mike's private collection. And truthfully, if and when eventually someone buys this piece of gold, I'll hand deliver it because I don't think I can ship this piece. I think I'll be getting on an airplane and hand delivering this piece of gold. So yeah, it's truly something, a work of nature. Okay, the elephant in the room and what everyone's been asking about, this pay dirt, and I'm gonna keep it a little bit of a secret. I decided I'm not gonna let the cat out of the bag just yet. This is a New Year's bag. It's probably, it is the richest bag I've ever offered for the price relative to how much gold is in there. It's going to be available for next week, New Year's. It'll only be available for probably 2 weeks or until we sell out. There's about 300, 400 bags, depending on what we get done. But we'll make sure anyone who wants a bag in those first 2 weeks of January gets a bag. That's my promise to you. But that is coming next week. I'll have another video, kind of a recap of the year, how much we truly appreciate all of you. Appreciate you guys are the fuel for this fire. I could not do what I do without you. So you buying our paydirts, buying our gold nuggets, leaving comments, however you participate with the gold vlog, we're always super, super appreciative, and we don't take it for granted. We know that you are the fuel to our fire. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, however you celebrate, that's cool. This will be out next week, our best paydirt of the year. We're doing it again, and we appreciate you. Be well. We'll see you next week.